Hello, we've just had Bold Smart Lock in the office as part of a takeover day. We've got Dave Davis here, you might recognise him. What he's going to be doing is showing just how simple this solution is. I've got a timer. So on the website, I believe they advertise 5 minutes, but this is the 4-minute challenge. So Dave is going to try and do it.
We can get it in much quicker than 4 minutes.
Easy.
So
without further ado though.
Without further ado.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
So this is the lock, Euro 6 cylinder style, and this is our
Getting
mock
closer,
door.
Martha.
First of all, Allen key comes in the box. We're going to take off this end cap. This end cap is the piece that sits outside, not inside. Simply remove it. Oh, rushing, but we're going to get there quickly enough. It's a little grub screw. Make sure it's nice and loose, and just undo that. It slides off, comes apart. Door, open the door. You can see Euro 6 cylinder already in there. Handy measurer. We know it's a 33mm lock. Firstly, electric screwdriver. Undo the centre pin bolt. Remove it. Rotate it with the key, and then the lock cylinder should slide out. There we go. That's the old lock. That's the new lock, you can see. This is on the internal inside of the door. Fit it through here, like so. That goes on that way. He says there. Tighten that up. Really important you do tighten this up.
So this is battery operated, Dave. How long does it last, the battery?
12 to 24 months depending on you. Centre pin screw straight back in, secures the lock in. So quick and easy. And then when you're ready, simply tighten that grub screw up. Really important it is tight, and then use that one to get the real leverage on it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. It's done. This.
Oh, it's not done quite yet.
Okay, being pedantic. But yeah. There we go.
Oh, come on,
There
you're
we
not
go,
getting it. Done. Right, stop. Right, 1 minute 42. Dave, that's incredible. Round of applause for Dave.
And we're to test it, you can see.
Come and look at it being tested by you.
So you can see there on the outside of the door, that lock won't go. Need to tighten the grub screw up.
You haven't, Dave.
I have. If I press the bold lock now, I can now engage the lock and open the door. As simple as that, guys.
Gorgeous.
Now, if I had an electric screwdriver to do the grub screw, you could do this easily in under 2 minutes if you're quick. Easy peasy, guys.
Right, speak to DVS sales rep. I pretty much just ate a cupcake in the same time that Dave did that, so I don't know which is more impressive.
The one I was supposed to have for winning.
Yeah.
Right.
Speak to us. Amazing solution.
Yeah.
Recommended by Dave. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Something that we failed to mention, or Dave failed to mention, not me, is how it actually works with regards to the phone. So David, over to you.
Phone, open the Bold app. So again, you can open it using the clicker, which is here. So you can use this next to the door, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth long range clicker. Most people would use the app. Open the app, very simple to use. There's the app here, you can see DVS door. And if I turn this around, so you can see the LED on the lock, I will open the door.
Oh, you've done that through your phone? Oh,
I've done it through my
Bluetooth
phone,
on the
yeah.
Wi-Fi. Fantastic.
So that, yeah, see that go there? So that's the app opening the lock remotely. It's Bluetooth controlled. And also you can have the Bluetooth working in the background, so it's constantly looking to be within range of the lock, so you don't have to do the app. It's like that.
Bye-bye keys.
Bye-bye keys.